Hi, welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. This rotor is completely worn out. Deep grooves, shiny metal, and heat marks. This happens when the brake pad's friction material is gone and the metal backing plate digs right into the rotor. Driving like this is dangerous. The rotor overheats, cracks can form, and your stopping power drops drastically. In an emergency, this could mean the difference between stopping in time or not. Here's the culprit. A brake pad worn down to 0 millimeters. No friction material, just bare metal. Every press of the brake was grinding away at that rotor, causing severe damage with every stop. The only safe fix now is to replace both pads and rotors together. Once you've gone metal to metal, the damage is too severe to just swap pads, so check your brakes every 20,000 kilometers or sooner if you hear squealing or grinding. Thanks for watching Daily Auto Tips. Remember, your safety starts with good brakes.